Hey guys, this is Michael. I was just hanging out in my apartment when I hear this massive thunder, and look outside in Atlanta. It is storming, and this is a perfect opportunity for me to use the tiki hut. There's the plant right there getting some water. It's a beautiful day for the plant, so it's used to these like 100-degree weather. This is just fantastic. It's loving it. Let's go out there and take a look. Alright, yeah, now this is cool. Check. Still got my camera going. Dry. Super dry, actually. Oh, man. You hear that? That is the sound of me going to sleep for 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's coming down hard. Hope you like the video.